Your hot tub should lower your stress and increase your comfort long before you set foot in it. That's why we at Everything Billiards and Spas follow a careful procedure when delivering and setting up your new spa. Here's how it goes. On delivery day, your spa arrives on a flatbed truck or trailer. Remember to clear a path so our delivery crew can provide a smooth transit. Then, we carefully maneuver your spa to the desired location. Your spa must ultimately sit on a concrete slab, paving stones, a spa pad, or a sturdy level deck. Once the spa is in its optimal position, we remove all protective packing materials. We'll also install your cover and cover lifter and demonstrate their operation. At this point, we give you an overview of the spa startup process. It's important to fill the spa through the filter compartment to help push out any air trapped in the lines. The optimal water level is just below the pillows and above the highest jets. Our installation team will also coach you on how to balance your water, operate the controls, and maintain your spa, so you're familiar with completing the process when your spa is wired in full. Our experts will guide you through each of these steps, and our in-house service crew is always just a phone call away to answer any questions you may have. You'll learn about weekly tasks like water testing and spa maintenance, as well as monthly and yearly routines such as cleaning the filters and cover and refilling your spa with fresh water. Our goal is for the process of spa ownership to be as relaxing as sitting in your spa itself. Before you know it, you're ready to enjoy the new centerpiece of your backyard oasis.